Hi everyone, I am Sonali. I welcome you all for online tutorials of Java programming. Today we are going to learn how to create an enum class using for loop. Okay? First of all, I will tell what is meant by enum. The enum in Java is a data type which contains a fixed set of constants. It can be used for days of the week like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And directions north, south, east, and west. And colors like red, yellow, blue, green, white, and black. And size like small, medium, large, extra large, etc. According to the Java naming conventions, we should have all constants in capital letters. So we have enum constants in capital letters. Java enums can be thought of as classes which have a fixed set of constants, that is, a variable that does not change. Okay, now let's start the program. Now look at, first of all, I will create enum class. Enum size. Inside this enum class, enum constants, the class contains 4 constants. Okay, small, then medium, then large, and next is extra large. Then semicolon, then I will create public string getSize method. Public string getSize method. In that, here I will use switch case. Switch off this. This will refers to the object small. Okay. In this call, this keyword is now associated with the small object. Hence, the value small is written. Okay. Switch statement in C test the value of a variable and compares it with multiple cases. Once the case match is found, a block of statements associated with that particular case is executed. Okay, each case in a block of a switch has a different name number which is referred to as an identifier. The value provided by the user is compared with all the cases inside the switch block until the match is found. If a case match is not found, then the default statement is executed and the control goes out of the switch block. Okay. In that first case, small, return small, then semicolon. Then next case, medium, then return medium, then semicolon. Then third case large, then colon, then return large, then semicolon. Then next case extra large, then colon, and return extra large, then semicolon. Then next case is default, then colon, then return null. Okay, default case is null, return null value. Okay, then I will create main method, public static void main, in bracket string arguments args, then I will print message system dot out dot print ln in bracket the size of pizza I get is the size of pizza I get is plus size dot small dot get size. then semicolon, call the method getSize, okay, using the object small. Here size.small.getSize method, the compiler automatically converts all the constants of the enum into its instances. Hence we can call the method using the constant as object. Okay, then second message I will print system dot out dot println in bracket the size of pizza I want is, okay, and plus size dot large dot get size method, okay, get size method, then semicolon, call the method getSize using the object large, okay. Now we will run this program and check output. Here L is capital. Now look at the size of pizza I get is small and the size of pizza I want is large. Suppose we can take here medium size or extra large size. Medium and extra large. Now we will run this program and check output. Now look at the size of pizza I get is medium and the size of pizza I want is extra large, okay. I hope you guys understand this video. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you in another video. Thank you very much.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.